5 Health benefits of exercise. Regular exercise provides numerous health benefits that positively impact both physical and mental well-being. Here are 5 key health benefits of exercise. 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Engaging in aerobic exercises, such as jogging, swimming, or cycling, strengthens the heart and improves cardiovascular fitness. Regular exercise can help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve overall heart health. 2. Weight management. Exercise plays a crucial role in weight management and maintaining a healthy body weight. Physical activity helps burn calories, increase metabolism, and build lean muscle mass. It can also aid in preventing weight gain and reducing the risk of obesity. 3. Enhanced mental well-being. Exercise has a powerful impact on mental health. It stimulates the release of endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Regular physical activity can reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress, promoting better mental well-being and improving overall mood and cognitive function. 4. Stronger bones and muscles. Weight-bearing exercises, such as resistance training or weightlifting, help build and strengthen bones and muscles. Regular exercise can reduce the risk of osteoporosis, improve bone density, and maintain muscle strength and endurance. 5. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Regular physical activity has been linked to a decreased risk of various chronic diseases. It can lower the risk of developing conditions such as type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, example breast and colon cancer, and metabolic syndrome. Exercise also contributes to improved immune function, reducing the likelihood of developing infectious diseases. Remember, start gradually and choose activities that you enjoy to maintain consistency and make exercise a sustainable part of your lifestyle.